Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age on your Steam account if it's not working properly. Alright, let's get started. So if you're trying to verify your age on Steam, maybe by adding your credit or debit card, and it's not actually verifying your account, here's what you need to do. First, you want to open up your browser and search for Steam support. Then you want to click on the official Steam support link, which should be the top result. And then once you're here, you want to scroll down and click on My Account. And then from here, you want to look for data related to your Steam account. Click this. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and you want to click on Contact Steam Support. Here, you'll be able to explain your issue. Just type something like, I can't verify my age on my account, and attach a screenshot if you've already added your payment info, but it's not being recognized. Finally, just click send and Steam support will get back to you through email with the next steps or confirmation that your issue has been fixed. And that's it. That's how you can verify your age or fix age verification issues on Steam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.